Hi everyone, I'm Belinda with Mojo in the Making, and yesterday I did a video blog on some of the tools that I use to help with chronic pain. And today I wanted to go back and kind of revisit that and talk a little bit more about some of the other things that you can use and that I have tried that are more natural versus medication to help deal with chronic pain, specifically fibromyalgia. There's two types of massages that work really well for this type of medical issues. And one is a deep tissue massage. And the benefits of that is that it helps blood flow to the tight muscles. And it helps to work out those knots so that the blood and oxygen can get in there and oxygenate the muscle. And the other type is a manual lymph drainage massage. And the purpose of that type of massage is to help the lymph system drain the toxins and all of the icky bad stuff in your body, helps it to work it through your body so that your body can eliminate it, so that it doesn't get trapped in those tight areas of your body, in your muscles that are tight and knotted. Let me just mention, a good way to self-massage if you don't have access or can't afford a massage, which is the case in a lot of times. You can't go as often as you really need to go for it to be beneficial. You can use a Theracane or a tennis ball, and I talked about that yesterday. Those are two tools that I use to self-massage. Another great thing to do is Tai Chi, and if you're not familiar with Tai Chi, it's an ancient Chinese. It's I don't know if I would call it a workout, but it's an ancient Chinese routine of the body moving very, very slowly. Kind of reminds me of yoga. It's even slower than yoga. It's very precise, prolonged, held for a long time positions, and it is wonderful for helping with depression, which kind of comes along with fibromyalgia sometimes, and pain and stiffness, and just overall quality of life. Another is yoga, which I already had mentioned yesterday. I'm sitting on my yoga mat here. I'm going to be doing my yoga stretches in a little bit before bed. And that's another good tip, to do your stretches before bed. It helps to relax you and helps with those. Sometimes I tend to get a lot of leg spasms, so it kind of helps relax your legs, relax your body, relax your mind. Helps you get a better night's sleep, which is really important if you have fibromyalgia, because sleep issues kind of go along with it. So it's a natural way to help you get to sleep a little easier. And then acupuncture is a Chinese, it's a Chinese medicine. And if you're not familiar with that, they take needles, and I have had this done, and I did notice some relief. And they place them in certain parts of the body. A little strange to do at first, but you get used to it, and it does help relieve some of the pain. Another thing that I do is supplement, and my favorite supplement is magnesium. And most doctors recommend taking between 250 to 300 milligrams twice daily. And some foods that you can eat that are higher in magnesium are foods like flaxseed, cocoa, almonds, spinach, black beans, and halibut. And one of the other things that I work very diligently at doing, and is harder for some people than others, is to reduce my stress. I am very fortunate in that I am able to live a fairly stress-free life. I do not have a high-stress job. I live as simply as I can. I eliminate a lot of outside noise, drama, anything that would upset me. I stopped watching the news a couple years ago, and that was a huge benefit for me. Everyone's stress level is different. I know that I don't handle stress well, and stress is a huge culprit for accelerating a lot of health issues. High blood pressure, heart, and with fibromyalgia, stress raises the cortisone levels in your body, and that's and your inflammation markers, which accelerate fibromyalgia. Maybe not accelerate, but make the symptoms worse. So I hope that maybe some of these tips of things that I do and I use in my daily life to kind of combat and control and maintain chronic pain maybe help for you. And I hope that you guys have a good night, a restful, peaceful night. Do your yoga stretches. You'll feel better in the morning for it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.